Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. You can call me Bridget. I live in Nazareth, Pennsylvania, which is located in the Lehigh Valley, and that is about an hour and 45 minutes from Philadelphia. I graduated from East Stroudsburg University in 2014, and I worked as a social worker for a skilled nursing facility for about 2.5 years. There I was the social worker for about 109 patients. I did a lot of admissions, discharges, psychosocial assessments, memory assessments, and I spent time with a lot of the patients during their end of life, which was a very humbling experience. I currently work for Beata Pediatrics as a client services associate. So I am the liaison between the medically fragile children and the nurses who work with them. Some personal things about myself. I really enjoy fishing, being outside by the water, boating. I like to visit the Jersey Shore a lot with my family, spending time with my husband and friends. I'm really excited to start this experience as an MSW student. It took me about 4 years to work up the courage to apply to an MSW program, but this is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I'm really excited to get back in the swing of things and learn more about social work and the curriculum that Widener has to offer, and to hopefully achieve the goal of working as a hospice social worker.